Hi friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of June the 5th to the 11th. So some really good dealios in this flyer. Just to let you guys know, in the last 2 weeks, they have removed the fine print option that you usually press on the Walgreens app to see, like, what are the coupons, what are this, what are that. So I really recommend that you double, triple check the ad or the app on Sunday morning to ensure that the right digital coupons are there. Treat this video more like an ad scan. We're just going to have a little chit chat about the deals. I have been doing this for 6 years, so I kind of know what the sales cycles are. So that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. And I have no control of the fact that they've removed that button for the fine print. It just is what it is right now. Okay, first thing we're going to talk about is this booster. It showed up yesterday. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20, valid from the 5th to the 11th. Both of my accounts got this one, so I think they must be feeling generous. Couple rules for you. It is again valid from that date only, which is the 5th to the 11th. It is of a one-time use, so even if it's still lingering in your account, it's a one and done. And it stacks with that paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine, if you might be so lucky to get one. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. Hey guys, so now we have a month-long deal. This is taking place right up until June the 25th as per the tag. It is for the Palmolive at $2.99, the Fabuloso at $2.99. Look for the items that are tagged specifically at the store, and the Suavitel softener for $2.99. Here's the first one. Grab 2 of the Palmolives for $5.98. Roll some Walgreens cash or possibly use a register reward to pay that down, and then you're getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, shaking it out to $2.98 for the 2 or $1.49 per product. Again, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash because this offer is a buy one, yes, you can flip it for this instance as long as you're not using it with a booster. Let's do this deal with this specific booster, which is spend 20, get back 5. And not a lot of people are talking about this deal. It's kind of surprising. Okay, so here it is, grabbing 8 of these products. If you want to get a mix of the Palmolive, Suavitel, Fabuloso, just get a couple of each. You make it happen. That's $23.92. We have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 20. So you're going to pay that $23.92 out of pocket. Now, if you have a manufacturer register reward, by all means throw it in to get a lesser out of pocket. You're getting back $17 in Walgreens cash, 12 for the sets of Palmolive, Suavitel, Fabuloso, and then 5 for the booster, making it $6.92 for the 8 or 86 cents per product. Let's not forget, because you're using a booster, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. Okay, the next group of deals are deals of the week, but this one has no register reward. It's just $1.99 for the Arm & Hammer, so that is a really good deal. Grabbing 3 of them, that's $5.97, subtracting $5 in Walgreens cash, or say you have a register reward from a different deal, throw that in. You're paying 97 cents. Typically, these products are $7.49 each on a non-sales week over at good old Walgreens. So this is a very, very, very good deal, especially if you're a newer couponer and you want to stock up on a little bit of Arm & Hammer. The next deal of the week is to buy 3, get back a $5 store register reward. So we are going to be picking up 2 $7 and 1 $4 Pantene product. These are the digital coupons, and yes, they are valid. We have a 5 off of 2. We're going to be buying 2 fancies and then 1 plain Jane using this dollar digital. So please make sure you have both of those loaded, guys, for this deal. So looking at the mathematics, 2 fancies for $14 and then 1 plain Jane for $4. That's $18 on the nose. Remember, we have that 5 off of 2 and the dollar. That's $6 of digitals off right there. You're paying $12, getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per shampoo. If you're doing this deal on its own, like without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, pay it to earn that $5 register reward. That should work beautifully for you. Now, these next 2, because I can't see the digital coupons that are there, typically we always get like a 5 off of 3 or something generous with the crest. If we have something high value, this could probably be like a little money maker pour vous, as they're $3 a piece. $5 register reward when you buy 3. The same thing for the Olay. There was a 4 off of 2, but it's expiring on Saturday. But sometimes they throw in like 8 off of 3 or 10 off of 3. 4 off of 3 would be good too. $6.49 per. Typically they have been raising the price of Olay to like, $7-8. So to see it at this cost for either the body wash or the bar soap, Sunday is the day we'll have to look at the digital coupons to see what we can come up with. Okay, $3.99 for the Colgate Dental Care. So I'm thinking there might be a mouthwash or a toothbrush included with that. And then $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Now, if you head over to your Fetch Rewards account, there's $2 back when you buy 1 Colgate product. It's valid from June 2nd to the 9th. So you have a quick window. So even if you bought it like last Sunday, doesn't work. It had to be purchased on the 2nd. But this is an extra $2 with the Fetch Rewards app. Okay, so grabbing 2 Colgate products at $3.99 a pop, that's $7.98. Subtracting a 4 off of 2 digital, or it'll be a 2 off of like for the brush and the paste. You'll pay $3.98, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, make a submission to Fetch for $2. It makes this free plus a $2 money maker. Sunday, we're going to have to double, triple check for those digital coupons. And then if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, pay down the balance, yes, you can spend it to earn it in this specific scenario because it is a buy scenario. Just make sure you're not using it with a booster. Okay, another one that I think might be something, $5.99 for the Persil laundry detergent. I think there might be a $2 digital coupon floating around on Sunday because I think that's what's going to be in the savings insert this weekend. So it would drop this guy down to $3.99. Again, we have to double, triple check on Sunday. Now, this is a deal that might interest you. I know a lot of you swear and love the Dawn Power Wash, which is that blue dish liquid of gold. 2 for $11. So, we don't have any coupons to go with this one, but maybe this might be a deal for you. If you have this booster, which is 5 back when you spend 20, and again, I got it on both store cards, so I'm assuming a lot of you have it. And then if you have this specific, where it says manufacturer at the top, not store coupon, if you have a couple of these, throw it in. Make sure the cashier scans every single Dawn Power Wash separately, so each manufacturer register reward will attach. So grabbing 4 of them for $22. Let's just say we have 2 manufacturer register rewards, a 4 and a 5. $9 off right there. We have our booster loaded. You would pay $13 with your debit card and get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making this $8 for the 4 or $2 per power wash, a product that's usually like, $5, $6 at Walgreens. Let's remember, because we're using a booster, not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, just to note that. The next little deal, we're going to have to wait till Sunday about this one. $5.99 for the Skintimate, those good razors. When you spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash. Pairing that with a booster, and if we have the $4 digitals, that equals to some very inexpensive razors. So I will definitely be investigating this one. Sunday morning, look for the razor coupons by Schick. Okay, and we have the Soft Soap Irish Spring for $4.99. Typically, there's $1 off either the Irish Spring or the Soft Soap. You pick. Buy 2 of these, get back a $5 store or register reward. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $9.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, again, we have to double, triple check Sunday that it's there. Hopefully it's there. You would pay $8.98 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it. No problem, just as long as you're not doing this with a booster. Quick honorable mentions, lots of the toys 70 to 80% off, winter clearance, spring toys, double, triple check if you are looking to stock up on toys. Now on Sunday morning class, we're really going to have to double, triple check for all these digital coupons. $9.99, earn $5 when you buy 2, that's nice. This one, possible freebie, $4 when you buy 2, and these are $4 a pop if there's a generous Crest coupon. And then the last one, I think there will be something generous for this one, $2.99, and then a 4 back when you buy 2. Very similar to the other one we were just looking at for Colgate. Okay, more HMs include the buy 2, get 1 for free on the 12 packs of Coca-Cola or Pepsi. And then these different toilet papers. I know that we have like a 50 center or like $1 off for Quilted and Angel Soft. You might want to look through your digital coupons for those. And then the pistachios at $5.99 and a 12 pack of the K-Cups for the Donut Shop coffee at $5.99. That's actually a good price. I've seen it like Walmart and Meijer $7, $8 for 12 K-cups. Pretty expensive if you're a coffee drinker. So it might be a stock up time over at Walgreens this week. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.